Hi everyone. For this question, they ask us to find the equation of the parabola that satisfy the given condition, which is it is having horizontal symmetry axis pass through 3 points. So having horizontal symmetrical axis. So see, horizontal is like this. Symmetrical axis, which means that this parabola may be open to the left or maybe open to the right, depends on the value of p. If value p negative, less than 0, open to the left. If value of p positive, it will be open to the right. So for horizontal parabola, the standard form of the equation will be start with y minus k square. So it will be start with something y square equals to here 4px minus h. So if you have senyum masam up or down, this is start something with x square. So if you have open to the left or open to the right, which means that your left hand side here is starting with y square and the right hand side just a common factor of x. Alright, so they don't have any value here, they just say passing through. When you say passing through the point, which means that all these points can be fulfilled in our equation. So equation of parabola, what we concern is we need to find back what is your vertex, your hk here, which means what's your value, your hk, and the value of p. So when you get value of p, then only you can know what is your foci or what's your directrix. In this question, they just ask us to find the parabola. Equation of the parabola means you need to know what is your vertex and your value of p. We have two information to find here. So for the first point, 1, 1. When you're passing through it, we can substitute into our equation, which is 1 minus k squared equals to 4p 1 minus h. Alright, so we let it to be the first equation from the first point. Then second, 1 negative 3. Second point, when I substitute y coordinate negative 3, x coordinate is 1. So seems like we have common factor, we can do this simultaneous to find out our k value. Alright, so I substitute first. For the third point, negative 2, 0. So y coordinate is 0, means this is negative k squared. And then x coordinate is negative 2. So negative 2, negative h. This is equation 3. So you have h, p, and k. You have 3 unknown here. 3 things to find. Therefore, you have 3 simultaneous equations. So our method is we try to eliminate the same unknown. So as you can observe this equation n1 and equation 2, you can see p and h, they are same. So we can eliminate this p and h first. We find out what is your value of k. Once you find out your value of k, you can get your new equation to find your p and h. So we operate our first and two equation. So actually, we can just substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So as you can see, this part, they are same. So we substitute that, you can get 1 minus k squared equals to negative 3 minus k squared. So for this quadratic, we expand and rearrange to find out the k. So expand this, a squared 2ab, and term b squared give us k squared. Again, expand a squared 2ab b squared. So we rearrange and we simplify the equation. We have k squared and k squared minus out. And then this one minus 6k, we get negative 8k. Constant, we move it to the right hand side. 9 minus 1 is 8. So k, you can get negative 1. So once we get k is negative 1, we can update. So we can get the latest equation of the value when k is negative 1. So this one 4p minus h will be equals to k is negative 1, negative, negative, become positive 2. 2 squared equals to 4. and P1 minus H equals to 1. So this is our lattice equation number 4. So if we put in here, they will still same, right? So we try to get another equation which is different. So use equation 3. So when I put negative 1, negative, negative become positive. So this is 4p minus 2 minus h equals to negative, negative become positive. 1 square is 1. So you can see at least they are different. This is equation 5. We solve these two equations to find what is your p and h here. So to eliminate our p and h here, so you can see p and h is in multiply, p multiply with h. To solve this simultaneous equation, we need to do division. So I will take equation 5 divide by equation 4 so that you can eliminate your p value to get your h value. So 4p minus 2 minus h equals to 1 divide by P1 minus H here. So here 1 divide 1, P we can eliminate. So 1 divide 1 also 1. So lastly I get this one. So this is one, do cross multiplication, 1 minus H, and we expand. And we collect back our H term, negative TH. So this one plus 8 become 9. H get negative 3. So once we get H is negative 3, then we can find out your P value. We substitute back H equals to negative 3 into equation 4. So this is simpler than this, so I substitute this. Negative, negative become positive. So P here is 1 over 4. Positive P. So our parabola is open to the right. But then this question just asks us to find out the equation. Therefore, lastly, we build out the equation. So substitute back into this standard form. Y minus your K value, positive. Negative, negative becomes positive. 4 times P, we get 1. And then X minus H, negative, negative become positive. So our parabola equation, Y plus 1 square equals to X plus 3. So that's all for this. Thank you for watching.